I love this home at 2652 Broadway Street. Gated entrance, nice garage. It's not a huge house, but it has views from every level. It needs to be completely redone, but amazing location in Pacific Heights. Surrounded by mansions. It's a little mini mansion. This is the kitchen. It needs some updating. I would take this wall down, open it up to the dining area, make this a really nice great room, and then you have the living area in the front of the house. This home has such amazing potential. There's a his and hers bathroom. Definitely needs some updating, but great views of the city. Lots of potential with this home at 2652 Broadway. What amazing views on the roof deck at 2652 Broadway Street.